Choosing the right budget turntable in 2026 means balancing features, convenience, and audio fidelity. The following selection covers the best models available, each excelling in its specific niche within the affordable market. The DIGITNOW belt drive. Turntable is engineered for the casual listener or absolute beginner who values convenience and an all-in-one feature set above all else. This model provides genuine plug-and-play simplicity by incorporating a built-in phono preamp, which allows it to connect directly to any set of powered or active speakers without requiring external amplification. Its most appealing modern feature is the seamless integration of Bluetooth, enabling users to stream their vinyl audio wirelessly to compatible speakers or headphones, blending classic media with contemporary technology. Furthermore, the inclusion of a USB digital output offers a practical pathway for those looking to archive their precious vinyl collection into digital formats for portability. Completing its audio foundation is a magnetic cartridge, which ensures a far superior and more detailed sound reproduction than the ceramic cartridges found in many entry-level, true budget players. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK remains the industry benchmark for entry-level, hassle-free listening, making it the perfect choice for first-time vinyl owners. Its defining characteristic is the fully automatic belt drive operation, meaning the user simply presses the start button and the tone arm automatically lifts, moves, and drops the stylus onto the record, significantly reducing the risk of damaging precious vinyl or the stylus. Beyond its ease of use, the AT-LP60X-BK is constructed with quality components designed to enhance performance, notably featuring an anti-resonance, die-cast aluminum platter. This component is crucial for maintaining accurate playback speed and minimizing unwanted vibrations that could introduce noise, thus ensuring reliable and consistent sound quality straight from the box with minimal setup required. The Fluance RT81 is strategically positioned for the listener who is ready to move beyond the fully automatic, fixed-weight models and begin exploring the nuances of true hi-fi playback without breaking the bank. A critical feature that elevates the RT81's performance is the inclusion of an adjustable counterweight, which grants the user the ability to precisely calibrate the tracking force of the tone arm, ensuring optimal contact with the record groove and greatly reducing both record wear and distortion. It comes factory-equipped with the well-respected AT95E cartridge, a renowned performer that delivers warm, detailed sound right out of the box. Although it features manual tone arm operation, its accessibility is maintained by a built-in phono preamp, offering the flexibility to connect directly to any standard amplifier or powered speaker setup. Serving as an excellent bridge between pure convenience and enhanced audio performance, the Audio-Technica AT-LP3XBT-BK combines sophisticated features with user-friendly operation. Retaining the fully automatic belt drive functionality cherished by beginners, this turntable takes a significant leap forward in connectivity by integrating robust Bluetooth technology, making it simple to link up with any modern wireless audio system. The design also allows for easy interchangeability of the moving magnet cartridge, providing a clear and accessible upgrade path for future sonic improvements as the listener's ear develops. This model is ideal for those who value the set it and forget it reliability of automatic playback, but demand the improved sound detail and versatile wireless capability characteristic of mid-range budget turntables. While stretching the conventional definition of budget, the Fluance RT85N reference high-fidelity turntable offers the absolute best value for money in terms of pure, uncompromised sound fidelity, making it a stellar choice for the dedicated enthusiast. Its components are distinctly high-end, starting with the premium Nagaoka MP1110 cartridge, celebrated for its detailed, expansive soundstage and excellent tracking capabilities. This is paired with a heavy acrylic platter, a critical upgrade over standard materials, which dampens resonance and provides superior rotational stability for pitch accuracy. Further ensuring playback precision are a speed control motor and specialized vibration isolation feet, which work in concert to eliminate external interference and motor noise. This culmination of features means the RT85N delivers true reference quality sound that is built to satisfy discerning listeners for years to come, without the immediate need for modifications. Whether you prioritize the effortless convenience of an all-in-one system like the DIGITNOW, the set-it-and-forget-it reliability of the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK, or the true audiophile potential offered by the Fluance RT85N, the 2026 market proves that you no longer need a massive budget to start your vinyl journey. Every model summarized here represents a fantastic entry point or upgrade path, allowing you to experience the rich, warm sound of analog music without sacrificing modern functionality or breaking the bank. Choosing the right player is simply a matter of aligning the features you need with the budget you have, ensuring the joy of vinyl is accessible to everyone.